Hey there, startup founders. Welcome back to Startup Growth Hub. I'm Startup Coach Manoj, and today we are diving into a game changing topic that could redefine your startup journey using AI and technology in startup. The future is here, and if you are not leveraging AI, you are already falling behind. So, let's explore how AI can transform your business and take it to the next level. Imagine having a power to predict customer needs, automate mundane tasks, and scale your business faster than ever before. That's the power of AI. Stick around till the end, and I will share you how you can access my free course loaded with exclusive webinars, one-to-one sessions, live workshops, and an engaging community to support your startup journey. First step, automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks like customer support, email marketing, and social media management. Tools like chatbots and AI email responders save you time and let you focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Next, talk about customer experience. With AI-powered analytics, you can understand your customers on a deeper level, predict what they want before they even know it, personalize their experience, and keep them coming back for more. AI doesn't just automate, it also predicts. Predictive analytics can help you make data-driven decisions, reducing guesswork. Imagine knowing which product features will succeed before you even launch them. Startups need to operate lean and efficient also. AI tools can streamline your operations from inventory management to supply chain optimization, making your startup more agile and cost effective. Tired of wasting money on marketing? AI can help you run hyper targeted campaigns. By analyzing user behavior, AI can suggest the best time, content, and platform to engage your ideal customers. AI is not just about optimizing the present, but it also creating the future. Use AI tools to analyze the market trends, gather customer feedback, and innovate faster. Stay ahead of your competition. Cybersecurity is a top concern of startups. AI can proactively identify vulnerabilities and protect your business from cyber threats. Let technology safeguard your data so you can focus on scaling your startup. Hiring the right talent is crucial. AI-powered platforms can streamline recruitment, help you find the best fit, and even analyze employee performance to boost productivity also. Startups often face budget constraints. AI can optimize cost by automating financial processes, reducing waste, and offering actionable insights to budget allocation. Finally, let's talk about the competitive edge. Startups that embrace AI and technology are more agile, scalable, and profitable. Don't get left behind. Embrace AI to future-proof your business. If you found this insight valuable, I got more for you. Register now for my free course packed with exclusive webinars, personalized one-to-one sessions, live online workshops, and access to your vibrant startup community. Click the link in the description and take your startup to the next level. Remember, the future is here. Are you ready to seize it? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Startup Growth Hub, and turn on the notification bell for more powerful startup insights. Until next time, this is Startup Coach Manoj signing off. Keep innovating and stay ahead.